Christopher David Lawson of NEPA.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Scout Shed and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to give a little update on some of the progress on the Fairlane project so far. I don't have it home yet. We already started on the next project on the back half of the car. But this following video here is everything since October when I did my last video and I went to go pick up the part down in the Cincinnati area. Go ahead and check that video out here when I did that road trip that day. But let's go ahead and see what Dustin's done so far to the car. Well, that's what we got done on the car so far. We rebuilt that. He rebuilt that entire cowl section, brand new windshield and seal around it, filled in all the holes around the frame of the windshield, you know, rebuilt parts of the doors here and there. He had to do a little bit of fabrication work because that cowl actually came off a 64. The vent came off a 65, I believe, Mustang. It was a brand new part, but he's actually still got to finish up, put the heater box back in. He's got that heater box rebuilt. My wife will be very happy about that, to have heat in the car. She gets cold when it's below 90 degrees. But like I said, the car's not home yet. He's going to continue working on the back half now. We're going to be doing some work on that and getting it all tidied up. And the body work should all be pretty much done at this point once he gets that project done. I should have another video sometime in April for that. But thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. And I'm looking forward to having this car back to at least one piece. I probably won't have it on the road this year, but you never know. Thanks for stopping by again. Bye for now.